Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on the socket and tool set 50-piece living solution. Alright, and I'm going to be using my utility knife that my brother just got me. Hold on. Yeah, it's a little bit dirty because we used it for work. It has a nice little open thing. You open that and then that opens stuff. I already took the wrapping off, but let's get into it. Let me put this down real quick. Ooh. I got one of the zip ties off. That thing was pretty hard. And it has these clips. You have to clip those. Open up. Clip them all the way off. And you got this. Tells you everything. Cardboard. Got a nice screwdriver that you can put these on. Or a socket screwdriver. Like, put these in there. Stuff like you put these and those. You got your socket screwdriver, and you got a ratchet, the extension on it, and these. And I got this thing. So, yep, that's it. Please subscribe and like. So, bye.